Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Pixel Gun 3D game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your graphic preferences. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Pixel Gun 3D game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now from this page, within the top options, tap on the FPS menu, and now you can choose your display resolution, enable anti-aliasing if you wish, and also choose your game frame rate. Make sure to choose the highest options available for both anti-aliasing and your frame rate. And you can also enable motion blur and bloom. If you notice any screen tears, make sure to enable VSync as well. And now you can go back and your changes will be saved. If you notice any performance issues, when you turn on anti-aliasing, then you can try reducing the anti-aliasing level. Once you have gained a perfect balance of gameplay and performance, you can go back and start using this preset within your match right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your graphic preferences on the Pixel Gun 3D game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.